Coaches, are you struggling with increase in cost per lead, ad spend, ad cost, and lot more things? Yes, when you see how frustrated you are when your cost per lead suddenly rises. Now you are telling your coach or agency that we are in a loss. So now they suggest you, let's launch one more product to same customers. Let's go high ticket, become a high ticket coach. Let's launch one more funnel. Let me clear this to you. Do you even know when you should launch a new product or funnel? Let me tell you. When we already have our ads, front end webinar high converting, very good, sorted, sales marketing sorted. Second, when you have automated your front end webinar completely and now you are free and bored, now you want more revenue, then you will launch your next product. When your one funnel is working great, it's working perfect, and you are highly profitable, and that's when you think about the next product. But what are we doing? We are launching new product to cover our losses or to cover our ad cost. But no agency or coach is telling you to optimize your ads, offer, or existing funnel to increase profits. Now you might be thinking, is that even possible, Sagar? Yes, absolutely it is. We at Funnels Traffic are working with coaches who are making profits of 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs per month just by selling one product without even thinking about to launch 10 more different products. Now, I don't want you to hang in there and just think, how can I do it? I'll show you how we are doing it. Now understand one thing. 3 core things for any part of coaching business. One is marketing, second is sales, and third is product. Now, when CPL is increasing, now our main question was CPL, right? Now when CPL is increasing, you are thinking marketing is a problem. So I'll answer this. Yes, it can be solved with marketing. Marketing can reduce cost per lead, but you should do 3 things. 1, are you or your agency monitoring ads on daily basis, optimizing ads on daily basis? Are you doing it? Your answer is no. And yes, this is your first problem. Are you launching new creatives, highly optimized creatives every week? Is your agency doing it or you doing it? Your answer is no. So yes, this is your second problem. Are you studying data of your sales funnel, optimizing it? Are you studying data of your leads and sales to optimize it? Yes, this is your third problem. We are not thinking of optimizing our existing funnel. In fact, we are increasing pressure on ourselves by launching one more product. Now, as you launch one more product, right, you have to take care of more 3 core elements, right? For every product, there are 3 core elements, as we told. Now you are adding 3 more core elements into your business. So again, this is the big problem, and once you solve it, your cost per lead will decrease. Now, let's come to the second core problem. Now, what is that? Sales, right? Now, yes, excuse me, do you even have the sales team? Big question, right? We are working with clients to get them develop the sales team, to increase their sales numbers, to have the right system of working with sales team. Now the sales team is generating easily 30% of additional revenue without even increased cost of ads and anything. And bam, they are in profits. Wait, again, I will not hang you here. 3 core things you should do to get more profit. 1, set up your sales team right now and you will see 10% increase in your revenue without increasing expense. Second, build systems for your sales team. Very important. How their call will be recorded, where the winner calls will be stored, where the loser score will be stored. Now to improve your existing team members, make them listen the winner calls or the calls which are closed. 10% increase in your revenue, more 10% increase in your revenue without even increasing your expense. Third, Do additional webinars, do different angle webinars with your existing sales team. Do more promos, regular promos. 10% more increase in your revenue without increase in the expense. Yes, this is how the real marketing strategy works, and this is how your agency or you should work. Now your marketing is sorted, sales is sorted. Now comes the third core thing of your business. What is that? That is product. Once you have sorted your front-end marketing and sales, now you think of launching more products to increase the profit and not to cover your losses. Don't worry, many of you still might be thinking, how can I do it? I want more help. I want you to apply for the strategy call with our agency, funnelstraffic.com/call. Again, most importantly, this will be the strategy call and not the sales call, because I want you to be winner. Yes, after Funnels Traffic strategy call, you will be back in the game with more profits, reduced CPL. You will be the winner. All the best.